In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter in a Ford F150. The engine is a 2.7 liters twin turbo and the air filter is in this housing. So the first thing is there are two clips here, plastic clips, so we have to lose them, and we need to be careful because are made of plastic, so let's be careful with them just to don't break them. So this is the first one, the second one, and then we're gonna lift and push towards the front this part of the housing, and the air filter is here, the old one, and then here I have my OEM filter. The part number is FA1883. I'm going to place my new filter, and then here we have 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 4 slots here, so what we need to do is just fit the tabs inside of each slot. Okay, and then snap back my clips, 1, 2, and that's it. Thank you.